In this video, I'll show you how to create and delete Anki decks. Whether you're organizing study materials for different subjects or cleaning up decks you no longer need, the process is quick and easy. Let's get started. To create a new deck, open Anki and go to the main deck screen. At the bottom of the window, click Create Deck. Enter a name for your new deck. For example, you might create a deck for languages, biology, Spanish vocabulary, history, or exam prep. After entering the name, click OK or press Enter. Your new deck will immediately appear in the deck list and is ready to use. You can now select the deck and begin adding flashcards by clicking the Add button at the top of the screen. If you want to organize your decks further, Anki also supports subdecks. To create a subdeck, click Create Deck and use the format Parent Deck: Subdeck. For example, Languages: Spanish. This creates a Spanish subdeck inside a main languages deck. Now let's look at how to delete a deck. From the main deck screen, find the deck you want to remove. Click the gear icon next to the deck name. In some versions of Anki, you may need to click the three dots instead. From the menu, select Delete. Before you continue, make sure you no longer need the deck. Deleting a deck removes the deck itself and any cards that exist only in that deck. Once you confirm, the deck will be permanently removed from your collection. If you're not sure whether you need the deck later, consider exporting it as a backup before deleting it. And that's all there is to it. To create a deck, click Create Deck, enter a name, and start adding cards. To delete a deck, open the deck menu, select Delete, and confirm the action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.